and I will also replace the wheels because these ones are just ugly and I don't like it. Oh shit. Sorry man.
Volkswagen, das Auto.
So, the interior, the seats are just dirty, they are really good. GoPro, stop recording.
Peço desculpa, não precisa de ator.
Por acaso dá jeito. Hey guys, and welcome to another video. If you saw my last video, which is the first on this car that we are restoring, we have a problem with the center locking because this model over here is just oxidized, which is really common, believe me. When you try to open the doors just not unlock. You just can unlock the door that you are opening with the key. But I will show how to replace this, and I will show you how is this one, because if you didn't saw my last video, I already opened this one and this is a mess, of course. Just take a look. But before you start replacing, I really recommend you to disconnect the battery so you don't mess up. So pop the hood and disconnect the battery. This model over here is located on the trunk on the right side. You just need to open your trunk and it's right over here.
Peço desculpa, não precisa de ator.
Por acaso dá jeito.
Hollywood estava muito mais. Mas precisar, vai fazer os teatros aqui.
Não tenho budget, não tenho verbas.
Não há verbas, não. Bem-vindo.
Now I'm going to test and I hope I don't have more problems, and let's see if it's working or not. And let's see if the controller is working or not. It's closed right now. Let's try to open. Nice. It's working, and this is pretty easy to do. This model cost me 40 euros. It was a good price because usually it's higher, but I found out one which seems to be in good condition and in a good price. So if you like this kind of videos, take a look at my previous one. And don't forget to subscribe because it will help me a lot. As usual, see you soon. Stay tuned.